So Rick, please join us.
Thank you. I just want to start by saying thank you to Polsinelli, to Global Midwest Alliance, and also to the Midwest Research University Network. It's a blessing for us as a company to be here today and to have this opportunity to be in front of you. Let me share a little bit about Global Green. We are a company that develops, manufactures, markets, and sells green polymer products into the oil and natural gas market. Our vision is green, but our product is proven and tested to be an effective cost-saving and production-increasing tool in the oil industry. We develop and test our products in Palos Heights, Illinois, at Trinity Christian College. We have a lab there that we rent. Our raw material comes out of China. That material is L-aspartic acid. It's an amino acid that we all have in our bodies. Our manufacturing is done in South Carolina. Oop, I'm going a little too far here. Our manufacturing is done in South Carolina, and it is distributed, our product is distributed around the world. Our product is environmentally benign, readily biodegradable, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic. We are in the fastest growing market in the world. 13,000 new fracs are happening every year in the U.S., and about 40,000 pounds of our scale inhibitor is put into each frac. If you think about that, 520 million pounds. That equates to about 35 new wells every day that are going into this industry. We make a halite inhibitor. We make a halite inhibitor that is effective on high brine produced water, and about 40% of all wells that are fracked or drilled have a brine problem. Now, our halite inhibitor significantly reduces fresh water usage in each well by somewhere between 50 and 80%, depending on different wells that we've had tested. The savings is tremendous, and the impact of the use of water, the limited use of water, is phenomenal. So why are our customers buying our product? Increased sales continue at Global Green for two reasons. First, it's the cost savings and reduced fresh water usage to the drillers. Reduced water in one well alone was 37,910 barrels in a year's time. Now, if you take 40 gallons per barrel and you multiply that by 8 pounds per gallon, the transportation costs alone are huge on that. And what we find is that we're cost savings providing for companies between $250,000 and $630,000 a year, depending on where they're bringing their water from and the costs that they incur with that. A second reason that production increases is the quantity of barrels produced in the well. One well using GGP, our halite inhibitor, increased barrels by 37 barrels a day. Now, if you take that number and you multiply it over a year, you're looking at 13,500 barrels in a year of increased production, which benefited the customer by $1,215,000. Our Scale Tech halite control is the only product of its kind. There is not any other product that's removing halite right now. The process is fresh water usage. And so we feel like we have an important product to bring to the market. So what are our needs as we look at future growth expectations? We're seeking capital to purchase raw materials, improve manufacturing capacity, and establish a sales force and expand our research. We are developing partners to expand into new markets and grow our capacity in current markets. And we are looking long-term for investors to allow us to produce our own raw material locally, where we're getting it now out of China. I have a lot more detail for you on that, and I'd be happy to share it with you at our table following this time. Thank you.